Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. Myself Vipin Kumar, and today's we are going to discuss about AWS CloudTrail. Okay, so what is AWS CloudTrail and how we can set up it, and what is the use of CloudTrail, and what are the benefits of CloudTrail. So CloudTrail in simple word, it's just a logging and monitoring service for your AWS infrastructure. Okay. So whatever in your configuration getting changes, which user is performing what kind of task in your AWS environment, you can check it using AWS CloudTrail. Okay. So it's just a logging and monitoring service. So let me give the standard definition of it. So AWS CloudTrail is an AWS service that help you enable operation and risk auditing, governance and compliance of your AWS account. Action taken by a user, role or an AWS service are recorded as event in CloudTrail. Okay. So in which form it will log the services and the action in event. Okay, so I will show you in the real time. So this is a workflow of AWS CloudTrail. You can see here all the services like VPC, EC2, RDS, EVS, IAM, STS, and Redshift, Elastic, Winstock, Direct Connect, Amazon ECR, and all other services logs are getting stored in AWS CloudTrail. Simply it's use AWS S3 bucket to store the data. But yeah, so we can see the architecture here, the workflow of CloudTrail. So let me jump to the AWS console and show you how we can configure it. Okay, in the real time, and how we can check what are the configuration got changed in our AWS infrastructure. So here let me show you again. We have to search for CloudTrail. Just open it and create a trail. Okay, so management event, so by default it's giving the name. So create trail, we have to click on it, and there will be some charges for it. So like remember, when we are done with your lab session, then please delete it. So there is no charge occurred. So let me jump to the EC2 console and let me launch one EC2 instance. Okay, so there is no instance running. Let me launch one EC2 instance, give it name YouTube or something like that, and let me select my key pair and let me allow the HTTP and HTTPS traffic and just click on launch. Okay, so let me cancel it and let me go to the CloudTrail again. And here you can see dashboard, event history, inside dashboard, query, and this one is the lake. So as I told you in the theory session, it stored all the action in the form of event, right? So here we have to click on event. Okay, and we can see all the action have been taken by the user, and that's me actually. So console login root, here you can see. Let me refresh it. So it's syncing for AWS EC2 instance. So just we have launched. So let me refresh it and I will show you. And here we can see the shared snapshot volume. So that got attached to our EC2. So let me go back again. Let me refresh it. See, run instance, today's date 08 root, username root, and the resource type AWS EC2 VPC. In the default VPC I have launched that EC2 instance, so it's showing. Event source is EC2. Okay, so let me change one security group, okay, in this EC2 instance. Let me change some inbound rule. Okay, custom TCP. I am opening port for port 3000 and I am giving my IP. Let me see. Custom 0. Okay, custom TCP 22 or let me open for 3020. So let me and just save it. Okay, we have just changed security group inbound rule. Okay, so let me log into the CloudTrail and we can see here run instance. So what we did here, so you can see all the things here. Okay, so let me see. So we can see in the JSON format all the record here we can see, and like event version and whatever action, like image ID, this one we have used minimum count 1, maximum count 1, key pair name, whatever key pair we have attached to our EC2 instance, we can see it here. And we can see all my whatever EC2 instance type we have launched here, and whatever security group we have attached to our EC2 instance, so we can see it here. And the tag name, whatever tag name we have given, I have given YouTube, so I can see it here. And all other detail I can see it here in this log. Okay, event record. So I just have changed security group. Okay, so let me go to the CloudTrail again, go to the event history, and here you can see resource type, right? Here we can see access ID, event ID, event name, event source, read only, resources name, username. And if you want to search for a specific user, what kind of task and action he have performed, then you have to select the username and give the username here. And you can see all the action taken by that specific user. So let me select the resource name actually, and whatever the security group has been attached to our EC2 instance, let me search. Okay, so it's saying not. Let me search it again. EC2 and YouTube security group, where is that? Subnet security, and we can copy from here the security group. Why it's not showing resource name? Sorry. So we have to select the resource name. This one, the resource name, security group name. So we have to select. I was choosing the wrong option, so sorry about that. So we have first we have created a security group authorized security group. Then we have run the instance, and we have changed the security group inbound rule. Here we can see. Let me open. And in the event records section we can see it. Let me show you. See, we have opened 3000 port from the CIDR IP 000. You can see it here, right? So yeah, so that's it, like how we can configure CloudTrail, and it's really easy. It's not that much tricky using the console. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found my video informative and helpful. If you have any query, then please put them in the comment section. I will help you out on that. And please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. And if you want me to make any kind of a specific video, then please put them in the comment section, and I will try to make video on that topic especially. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thanks.